Alright, today we're enhancing our weapons. This is episode 2 of the Mossberg 715T Tactical 22. Today we're going to be adding a bipod. Now this rifle does not come with a swivel stud, so I'm also going to be attaching an adapter that connects to the lower rail that has a swivel stud. There it is right there. You're also going to need your bipod, of course, and a large standard flathead screwdriver. Alright, so before we get started, if you want to see episode 1, you'll find a link to the video in the description. Alright, so the first step, clear the rifle. As the follower holds the receiver open, so we're clear. Alright, the next thing you want to do is take your adapter. Let's take a closer look. There's a swivel stud. You want to attach on your rail, and this bolt will lock into one of the notches on the rail. So take the rifle, put it in on the rail like so. Using the standard screwdriver, go ahead and tighten this up. Now this adapter is all steel, and the rail on this rifle is plastic, so you definitely don't need to over tighten it. I'm just putting mine snug. Alright, the next step is to attach the bipod to the swivel stud. Now if you haven't seen this before, if you look closely at the bipod here, you can see those two little feet right here, and those little tabs on each one. Now those tabs go in the two holes on each side of the swivel stud. And then using this little knob here, you just tighten it up. Now the first thing is, I recommend doing this with the bipod in the open position. Now hold on to the bipod like this, so it'll keep the feet out like that. Otherwise, if you let go, they fall out. Alright, so you can see the hole through the swivel stud. It's a little tricky by yourself, but just attach that on there. Once you have it on there, just keep cranking this knob. Alright, and you're all done. Alright, so the bipod is now installed. Just to show you a couple quick features about this bipod. At a glance, you may have thought, as I did, that it was a Harris bipod. It's all steel, but in fact it's actually a very, very similar Champion bipod. 6 and 9 inches positions. Quick releases, just like the Harris. Very strong spring, and this is also the pivoting version. Just loosen this up a little bit, not too much, and you can swivel the bipod this way as well as this way. I normally have it where the bipod is in the frontward position, but with the sling on this rifle, it interferes. So until I replace this sling, it looks like that, but it's simply a matter of just attaching the bipod the other direction on the swivel stud. There you have it.